David Mossberg. Corner rocks. Got m416.
Yep, see his headlight.
Defect detector. I guess that's what that is. At least they blow the horn. Sometimes they don't blow the horn here.
Oh yeah, it's at least timetable restrictions as long as it's after 10 p.m.
Oh, okay. Here you get the chalkboard effect. Always like out getting the station in the picture though. On some salt mat. You know where some of them actually come from. The rods are making that. How many axles is it? 6 something? How many axles is it? 6 something, I think. So it's just under 700 axles, so Big Bertha. You're uploading these units? Huh? Uploading the heritage units? LW. What is LW for? Because there was a blue box photo with LW on 372. I'm trying to remember what that one is. Margot. Thought I'd been on my game a little bit at it. Been up here for m277 that had 1899 Pyramid Cat, which I haven't caught in a while, but ding, 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 ding. Hitting the switch up there, getting onto the original B&O sub. It looks like a, yeah, I think it had a Conrail logo on the left side. I think that one had I saw a C on the, I think that was a Conrail gondola on ADM. Beer Sun Energy, that's different. Coil cars. clean Argon. That's a brand new Argon gas. That's a 30,000. That's a long one. Looks longer than the normal ones. Stay in Moss. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment, press the like button.